In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows and columns in Google Sheets. If your data feels out of order, or you want to quickly reorganize it, this simple method lets you reposition rows and columns cleanly, without copying, pasting, or risking errors. We'll start from the Google homepage and end with a neat, well-structured sheet. First, open your web browser and go to Google. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into the account where your spreadsheet is saved. In the top right corner, click the grid of dots, the Google Apps Launcher. This opens a panel with all your Google apps. Click on Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in Sheets, open your document. You can select it from the list of recent files or navigate to it from your drive. Give the sheet a moment to load so everything is ready for editing. Now decide which row or column you want to move. To highlight a row, click directly on its number on the left side of the sheet. To highlight a column, click on its letter at the top. You'll see the entire row or column become shaded, confirming it's selected. If you need to move several in a block, drag across the row numbers or column letters to select multiple at once. This keeps related data together. Next, click and drag the highlighted row or column to its new spot. For rows, click and hold on the row number. For columns, click and hold on the column letter. As you drag, watch for a bold indicator line. A horizontal line shows where a row will land, and a vertical line shows where a column will land. When the line is in the right place, release the mouse. Your data, formatting, and any formulas referencing those cells will move with it, preserving the structure of your sheet. Other rows or columns will shift to make room automatically. A few tips as you go. If something refuses to move, it may be frozen at the top or left, or protected by permissions. Also, double-check that you're dragging from the header, the number or letter, so you move the entire row or column, not just individual cells. If you drop it in the wrong place, use undo to revert instantly. That's all there is to it. Open Sheets, open your document, select the row or column by its header, and drag it to where it belongs. With this approach, you can reorganize your spreadsheet quickly and keep your data clean and consistent.